Welcome to our explainer video on understanding home mortgages, a beginner's guide. Buying a home is a significant financial milestone, and grasping the basics of mortgages is essential for informed decision-making. In this video, we'll delve into the fundamentals of acquiring a home mortgage, from its definition to the steps involved. Let's begin with the basics. A home mortgage is a loan provided by a lender to assist in purchasing a home. It enables you to borrow funds for the property's purchase and repay it over time, usually with interest. Obtaining a home mortgage encompasses various stages. You'll need to organize your finances, secure pre-approval, select a suitable mortgage option, apply for a loan, and undergo the underwriting process for approval. Exploring mortgage options entails comprehending critical terms and conditions like interest rates, loan amounts, down payments, closing costs, and mortgage insurance. These factors significantly influence your monthly payments and overall expenses. Upon securing a mortgage, fulfilling your duties as a homeowner becomes paramount. This involves punctuality, making mortgage payments, upholding homeowners' insurance, and allocating funds for property taxes and insurance through an escrow account. Home mortgages offer advantages such as equity building and tax deductions, but they also entail risks like default and foreclosure. Understanding these aspects is crucial for successful homeownership. To ensure a seamless mortgage journey, budget for mortgage payments, maintain a robust credit profile, and stay informed about market trends and refinancing opportunities. In conclusion, comprehending home mortgages empowers you to make informed choices and attain your homeownership aspirations. Remember to educate yourself, explore options, and seek assistance as needed. Thank you for watching our explainer video on understanding home mortgages. Explore our additional educational resources for further insights and guidance.